Welcome to Lily Artist English. I'm using mauve 15 and white color combination for painting this beautiful daffodil flower. So follow me throughout the video to see how you can also paint this flower by yourself at home. Here I'm applying light purple color on the petal first. You can prepare this color by mixing mauve and white together, okay? After applying light purple in 4 petals, take a little bit of purple color mauve and apply it and shade it on the petal like that. After painting 5 petals like that, we will jump on to next flower, leaving the middle part because I will paint it later. For now I am painting all the simple petal of the flower, and because we have to use the same shade to paint these petals, so let's finish it first and then jump to other part. After painting all the simple petals, I am started painting the middle part of the flower. So here I am applying light purple and then a little bit brill. Okay, you can mix brill and purple or directly use deep brill color. So this color combination will look very beautiful together. After completing the flower, I started painting leaf. And for painting leaf, I'm using sap green, light green and white color. You have to watch carefully to understand how I'm painting these leaves. After completely painting flower and leaves, here I'm adding some detail in leaves like a fine line to give it a more realistic look. For adding detail, go with 0 number or 1 number round brush. By following this tutorial, you can paint a very beautiful design like that. I hope these videos are very helpful for you. If you are interested in fabric painting videos in English, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.